Good morning. I have my first in-person class today. Oh my gosh, I really look crazy. I don't have any plans this weekend that I can recall. I really don't like August, and so I either want to be at the pool or inside or at the beach, but we don't have one here. So I would totally drive to the beach today and just go stay with my family. Just show up, hey, I'm here. I have family who live in Charleston, and I just like, on weekends when I don't have plans, I just am like, I wish I lived at the beach. I would just go to the beach, and that would be my plan all weekend. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day wherever you are, whatever day or time of day it is when you're watching this. Sorry I look so scary, but I really felt like my skin needed a little pick-me-up.
Okay, this is what I'm wearing to my first day of in-person class. These are the Nike Blazers. These are a pair of mom jeans. I think they're Topshop, or they're Top Man or something, whatever that brand is called. This is a tank top I thrifted, and I'm gonna put on a little bit of makeup. Okay, here's my makeup. This is like the most makeup I do. So yeah, I have my mask. I'm gonna go down and make some food, and then drive to class. Hi. I am already back from class. There were 6 people in my class. And then I just got home. I'm gonna do a quick workout and then have like a late lunch around 3. Whoa. How do I like... I don't think that's exposure. So yeah, I'm gonna work out and eat some lunch. I'm really thinking I want some tuna. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna go work out now. So my home workouts are, I do mostly Mad Fit. I really like her videos. And then some Chloe Ting abs. So today I'm just kind of doing full body. I just finished another very sweaty, awesome workout. I'm gonna eat first and then come back up and stretch and roll out. I look like Violet. Violet, you're turning violet. With my bangs like this, or not bangs, but like face frame. Doing some stretches. She has a Vogue video out doing her signature red lip, so I'm just watching that while I stretch. And then I'm gonna shower and do some laundry, some chores. So, I found these Levi's at the thrift store yesterday. They are a little big on me, but I know right now like baggy jeans are in right now. A total steal. But wait, there's more. I found another pair. These though are between low mid-rise, and I have not worn anything lower than high-rise jeans since like freshman year of high school, and so these are a little different, and these are really short on me, so I think I'm gonna cut them into shorts, but we'll see.
So I wanted to show y'all the 4 pieces that I found at the thrift store 2 days ago. It is 12:07 and I don't really eat until I'm like feeling hungry, so I'm gonna go eat breakfast / lunch in a little bit. But yeah, I want to show you those pieces that I found. So these are the first Levi's that I found, and they're like, you know, they're bigger on me. They're like that trend where kind of like baggy jeans are in right now. This belt is also thrifted. I think it's from Joseph A. Bank. Yeah. So it's also a men's. I swear, I hope my future partner, like boyfriend, is okay with me wearing all of his clothes, because it seems that I just wear a lot of men's stuff. Okay, this is the second pair. I think these ones I'm definitely gonna cut into shorts because they are so short. Okay. This one is the kitchen curtain. I don't know when I will ever wear this, but I like it. Here's this one. This one's like the more realistic one. I could actually picture myself wearing at some point. Has these side slips. And I think this dress too, you could easily wear with sneakers or Birkenstocks. I might have just did something. Hear that sizzle? And there you have it. Breakfast is served. Well, it's 12:45, so first meal of the day is served. I'm gonna enjoy this, and oh, look how cute these salt and pepper shakers are. Pepper bus and salt bus. Oh, whoops. Okay, I'm not superstitious. I believe in Jesus, but you know. Alright, this is what I'm eating for dinner. It is cauliflower rice, sweet potatoes with rosemary and garlic, chicken sausage, and leftover halloumi that I just needed to eat and get out of my fridge, and a little bit of mayo for my potatoes. I'm gonna enjoy this and probably call it a night. So, I am not very good at this stuff yet. This is my outro. Don't really know how to do this stuff yet very well, but I wanted to do this for a long time, so I'm gonna stick with it. This is a very kind of boring video, but class has just started and it is intense. But basically, just while I was editing this, I realized that it kind of is boring and that it kind of just cuts off at the very end because I don't really remember to make outros or whatever. I hope once, like, you know, get in the school, like this semester schedule and everything, my footage will be more exciting. But right now it is a little boring. So yeah, this is my outro. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you want, subscribe if you want. No pressure. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I'll see you then.